Adventures at Fish Rock. While swimming through Fish Rock Cave, we often get marble rays swimming over the top of us. When they get caught up in our bubbles, they seem to have a cough reflex that's similar to ours, except they cough up air instead of water. And just like us, they don't seem to enjoy it so much. As the water warms up around Fish Rock, our anemones start being inhabited by their usual visitors such as glass cleaner shrimp. These glass cleaner shrimp have some purple and white markings on their body, but they are mostly clear so they can be difficult to spot.